Hey guys, where's Aubrey?
Here I am! Hi guys, welcome to Aubrey's Wacky Princess videos, and this is like a new thing, like when I do videos. This is a mega gift box surprise, and let's start opening. So this is a part of the game. I'm gonna open pink first. So let's open this up. So let's open the pink one first. We got the L.O.L doll. Let's go on to my L.O.L doll. I like that her dress, she has all cute colors. She got a little water, a little bag. Let's put the water inside the bag. So this is what she looks like with all her stuff on her. Okay, let's move on to the next one. Right. So now we're gonna open our little baby. We got a super baby. And him. It's a boy. I got a boy. His name is Superboy. He's still sleeping. I'm trying to be a little quiet. So you feed him water and then he'll keep peeing his pants and he has to switch his diaper. Let's put him back in his little crib. Now we're gonna open this one up. We got this. Yeah, I got this. What is this? There's something inside of it. There's a little face on the back. There's a cute little guy inside. Oh, got a box. It looks like a little milk carton. It is a little milk carton. Now we're gonna open this up. There we go. It seems like we got. Her name is Pinky Squish. Let's see what's under this. This cute thingy. You need to pull this tab out. I got a light. Now I'm gonna open the Big Giant Apartments. We got a rocks game. We got a social star. It's a party game, and you can play to 3 to 8 people. So the game, there's missing a phone, and there's cards. See, there's 30 packs of cards, 2 crayons, a timer, phones. We don't know what one we should do in that one. And these are all the stuff. This is all the fruit thingies that you can play with. But so you can see all of them. Boom, boom, boom. So first, let's open the rocks game. The rocks game first. We are going to open it. It looks like I got Frankenstein. Thank you. Please like and subscribe. See you next time.